Hello, well, today I wanted to show you how to remove your logo background and crop it properly by GNU with Linux. First, you need to click your right button of mouse and open with other application. Then you need to select a GNU image manipulation program. Then I will select this one. After selecting this one, I will get their dashboard. I will click on image. After clicking here, crop to content. After doing it, it's properly working. Then I will click on layer and I will go to transparency and add alpha channel. After doing it, just I will click on white part and I will press my keyboard delete key. After deleting those all white part and background, just we have left this one. I will click here and press delete button of my keyboard. Same thing I will do here. Delete button of my keyboard. Already I have cropped it and remove background. Now I need to save. I will go file, then export as. Just I will save it like the way. Then I will click here. After clicking here, I need to save here PNG format. Just I need to save here PNG format. Yes, this one. Otherwise the background won't be removed. Just export this one and export, and I think it's working fine. Yes, the background already removed here. So if you face any problem, just knock me, I will help you.